Let's be real. If you're on Telegram, chances are you're only using a tiny fraction of what it can actually do. So today, we're going to change that. We're diving deep and uncovering some seriously powerful kind of secret bots that are going to completely transform how you use this app. So let me ask you this. Does this sound familiar? You're trying to download a file, and it feels like it's taking forever. You're just sitting there, staring at that progress bar crawling across the screen, knowing your internet connection is way faster than that. It is one of the biggest headaches for users. Trust me, you are not alone. Well, today, we are fixing that, and a whole lot more, actually. I'm about to show you 8 hidden bots that are basically secret weapons for your Telegram. They're going to solve your biggest frustrations and seriously supercharge your whole experience. Okay, first things first, let's tackle those download headaches head on. We're going to start with what is probably the single biggest annoyance for most people, those painfully slow file downloads. Say hello to your new best friend, the link bot. So here's the deal. Telegram actually has a built-in speed limit for downloads inside the app. This bot, it just completely blows past that. You send it any file and it instantly spits back a direct download link. And the best part is just how easy it is. You literally just forward any file to the bot and boom, it replies with the link. You click that, it opens in your browser, and you are downloading at the full rocket speed your internet connection can actually give you. Problem solved. Next up, for all you Terabox users out there, listen up. The T-Box bot is a game changer. It solves 2 huge problems. First, it saves you a ton of precious space on your phone because you don't have to download the files. And second, it helps you get around all those annoying playback and download errors that the Terabox app itself can have. You just paste the link and you can get to your files right there inside Telegram. Okay, this next bot is an absolute lifesaver. It's called the URL bot. With this, you can grab the web address of pretty much any file online and upload it straight to your Telegram. Just think about that. You find a file, but the website's download is bugging out? No problem. You want to share a huge file with a friend, but you don't want to download it yourself first? This bot makes it happen in a snap. All right, so now you can download files at top speed. That's great. But what about actually finding what you're looking for in the first place? Let's talk about turning Telegram into your own personal search engine. Imagine having a full-on search engine right inside Telegram. Well, that's pretty much what the search bot is. You can ask it to find almost anything you can think of, and it will go and find it. Now, the original source called this a tool for, let's say, creative or even mischievous users. So, for those who get it, a little hint is all you need. All right, let's switch gears a bit. Let's look at some bots that are going to help you out with work, with school, maybe even just in your downtime. These are some really clever productivity tools. Are your hands just tired from typing all day long? Or maybe you have to submit something that looks like you wrote it by hand. The right assignment bot is exactly what you need. You give it any type text and it magically converts it into a digital file that looks like it was actually written out by hand. And it's not just some generic one-size-fits-all thing. You actually get to customize it. You can choose the kind of paper, lined paper, plain white, even rough paper. You get to pick the ink color or if you want it to look like pencil. Then you pick a font style and you're good to go. And the real selling point is right here in this quote. It looks quite real. The source material couldn't stop talking about how realistic it is. It's really the perfect tool when you need that authentic, handwritten look without all the work. Now this is a huge one for all the students out there. The study bot is described as a boon, basically a blessing, for anyone in grades 10, 11, or 12. It gives you this massive library of study materials right at your fingertips. It's almost like having a personal study partner that's available 24/7. So we've gone over some pretty amazing tools for downloading, for searching, for studying. But this last one, it's different. This bot is like the master key that unlocks everything else Telegram has to offer. I want you to meet the Searchy bot. This thing is the ultimate discovery tool. So instead of just doing one thing, it helps you find thousands, and I mean thousands, of other hidden useful bots. It's a searchable directory all sorted by category that lets you explore whatever you're curious about. And what that really means is that the Searchy bot puts you in control. You don't have to wait around for someone like me to make a video about the top 5 new bots. You can become your own Telegram expert, finding the exact tools you need right when you need them. It really does turn you into a power user. So, there you have it. We've just handed you the keys to a much faster, more powerful, and way more useful Telegram. from smashing those download speed limits to finding any bot you can possibly imagine. So the only real question left is, what are you going to unlock first?